Hi, Rich. So this is going to be a really interesting question. I know everyone that has responded is very interested in. The question is, what emerging and future technologies do you see as key change agents in both chronic and acute healthcare, such as wearables, robotics, and implants?
When we talk about emerging technologies, this is where I get really excited. The development in certain areas and the convergence of these technologies now and the ability to impact health is unbelievable. And we as Canadians and Albertans actually have a lot of strength in the key areas that are going to drive health going forward. The first area is artificial intelligence and machine learning. University of Alberta is third in the world in a specific branch of machine learning. So we are playing at an international scale there. Second area that we play very well in and probably place nationally is augmented and virtual reality. The third area in our jurisdiction, which is emerging, is blockchain and Internet of Things. All of these are key building blocks of where health is going to be going in the future, and we have those strengths right here in our jurisdiction.
And especially when you mention Internet of Things, that is also permeating into areas such as construction, in terms of the, let's say, even long-term care, new homes. I know that we've done a series of articles, on that in construction. So can you elaborate a little bit of where we are? Are we nascent, or are we moving along the pipeline quite nicely?
So we're very nascent in terms of these new emerging technologies coming to take place, and they're going to come from different angles. Most medical technology up to date has come through the acute care sector. That's how our exposure mainly has been through new healthcare technologies. Now, with the advent of IoT and other types of technologies, we're going to start seeing the development of smart spaces, for example, and those smart spaces affecting us in our individual homes or in our care centers in different ways than we ever used to. We can think very easily now of Alexa and other smart devices and how individuals can interact with them on basic things such as reminders for medications and reminders for diagnostic work, but also starting to provide intelligence not only to the individual, but also to their caregivers in terms of that individual's routines and how those routines may impact health.
That's going to be huge, and especially that will affect long-term care.
Absolutely. And when I think of the capacity that we have here in Edmonton and Alberta, both in terms of some of the advances that we have in home care and the home care models that we have, merging that with these emerging technologies is going to be phenomenal.
Thanks very much, Reg.
Thank you.